Flight Attendant Challenge. If you are an aspiring flight attendant, do it this. It's time to do the landing announcement. Let me do it first. Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Cebu Pacific Air welcomes you to Manila. On behalf of your flight deck crew headed by Captain Aznar with First Officer Pimentel and the rest of the team, we thank you for choosing Cebu Pacific, your airline of choice. Now your turn!
Okay, pag-announcement shell kanu. Pagkikinag kanu tanan. Inten itaga maganin do taga dalikan na si Myanmar magaya sa airport kaya matag kanu plane. Plane na panganan sa kiwi na dara papakit. Yung matagang na luis yung pamasan sa ticket. Duwan-duwan ka na rin, karit ka na doon, magkalusa, Manila.
Perfect! I hope to see you on board!